got lucky and I have a table. Other seats doesn't have it, so full comfort. I'm here in Valencia. I'm so happy and excited, and the weather is good. The app on my phone said it's gonna be cold and rainy, so that's why I am in pants, but now it's sunny and great, and now I have 15 minutes to walk to my place where I'm staying, and yeah. I'm here in the apartment. Yeah, already made a mess, but this is the room. With no view. It's around 6:30 and I'm super hungry, so I got myself Too Good To Go meal. If you don't know what that is, it's an app to get food cheaper, and I'm going to get my surprise package now. Weather got a little bit worse, but it's still nice and warm, and now I will wait for my friend to come here, because I didn't come here alone. Well, I came here alone today, but Ernestina will join me, and it's gonna be our first trip together, the two of us. I have my food, and I went to this park to sit down and eat. I got paella valenciana, which is very appropriate for my location. Looks like it's gonna stop raining soon. So beautiful. This is Ernestina's favorite cafe in Madrid. And here, it was just right across our apartment. Everything looks so good. Where are we going? To the beach. This metro is like a tram. It's very small and it's not underground. And it goes slower than me. How excited are you for the beach? Why are you not excited? Because we're gonna get right? No.
Come on, we can pull this out.
Bye, Rome. Happy? Juicy. Like a second suitcase. Almost 5 minutes. This is Agua de Valencia, and we need to chug it
In 13 minutes.
and here's vodka, gin, orange juice, and
That's a name we do not remember.
cava.
Hey! Crown.
I realized that I haven't filmed an ending to a video for a long time, because when I'm filming a vlog I just casually film things and I forget to say something, and I forget that I'm actually talking with people who's watching. So I just wanted to come up here and say thank you so much for watching, and thank you for sticking with me even if I don't post so frequently. And yes, I really appreciate you that you watched till the end. And if you have any questions or requests, or if you want some advice, then just text me on Instagram or here in comments. I will be very happy to receive your messages. And again, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.